Okay, so you take the cloth and make it as long. You're trying to get a rag that's pretty thin. You don't got a ton of room. Then you just wedge it down. There's a U-clip that's going like this, and you've got to hook the cloth onto one of the clips. It's the U-clip sitting right under there like that. You got to pull just right in order to get it to... Oh. There we go. And yeah, it just pops off when it happens. And the clip is on the ground. Look for the clip on the ground. This is that's the little bugger that's causing all the problems right there.
Get your door handle off.
The door handle is off. So after you've got the handle off, it's just a matter of popping all the clips on two pieces. You've got this piece that comes off right there, right there, right there, and right there. And then it's a matter of unclipping the door panel at a number of different points. And you kind of got to manhandle it a little bit. There we go. There we go.
Tell them there's no screws at all.
So there's no screw. This panel isn't held on by any screws at all. It's all clips. So we just clipped off a couple on this side. Oh, there we go. I just pulled, so after you get this right side, I just pulled the bottom. I pulled on the cup holder and just pulled the bottom clips off. And now it's just a matter of getting that clip off and that clip off.
And then raise it up.
And then you lift it up over the door lock. And then, come on over here, Dad. Then we've got to just unplug this right here, and door panel is off. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to unclip the door lock, and you see it's a little U plastic thing that's attached to the metal, and you just unclip it right there, and then you lift this out. Okay, so in order to get to this bolt and be able to remove the door handle bolt is back here. You can see it, but if you try and pull it out without moving this, you're probably going to lose the bolt down the door, and then it's all over. So we're just going to remove these 4 bolts that hold this whole door mechanism in place, and that will give us enough room to take out get to the door handle bolt. We moved the whole door opening mechanism. We just moved it down a little bit. You don't have to move it very far. It just gives us a little bit of gap to work in here. And you can visually see the bolt that you've got to... Ooh. Need flashlight on the... Okay, cool. That did dislodge. Whoop.
That's an 11 millimeter.
Yeah, it's an 11 millimeter socket. Once you've got it dislodged, you can hand loosen it, but then the trick is not losing it down the bunny hole where it will never be seen again. So, okay. Oh gosh. Okay, Chris, don't screw this up. That was the sound that you don't want to hear. Dang it. I was able to pull back the plastic and reach down to the bottom of the door after I lost the bolt, and there it is. So the next thing to do is see that little clip there, and again, it's got an opening on the right hand side of the clip. See that little pinkish red clip? There's an opening on the right hand side, so you can pop the metal rod out of that clip. It's a little bit of a trick. What we're trying to do right now is get that clip, get that
clip right there onto the bar right there. You see how it's hooking down, and so the trick is to pull that white clip up just a little bit and get it over that black bar.
So you're trying to get this clip on. See, that's what it's supposed to look like when it ends. We had to use a pretty long screwdriver. You can see the length of the screwdriver to go in there and kind of push the clip onto the bar like that. Going back and tightening up the 4 bolts that hold the whole locking handle mechanism back on. Go ahead and hit each one of them. Hit each one of them so they see where they're at. Yeah, just do a couple turns and then come back. You'll notice this black goo. It's like tar from the La Brea tar pits. Those are the 4 bolts. So watch out for the black goo. It will get you. So with our replacement handles, they actually don't work when you first get them on, and the reason is that, see this mechanism right, where are we at?
Right there.
Right. Am I not? Oh, right here. You can see where the handle, the rod that connects to the handle, pushes that down, but it doesn't push it down enough. It doesn't get this mechanism over here to move enough. So what you have to do is you have to unclip that. So go ahead and unclip that.
Open it up.
Yep. Open it up so it has the little door right there. Go ahead, Dad.
Was it this side?
Yeah, yep, that's the side. And you're gonna unflip that up. Almost. Oh, almost. Yep, you gotta get under there and flip it up just like a little treasure chest. There you go. Ooh. There we go. And see, and it opens up like that. And then we're gonna have to pull the lever. It's threaded, like a threaded bolt, and then we're gonna have to move it higher.
As high as it'll go.
Yeah, pretty much as high as it'll go on there, so that it pushes the clip down and initiates the mechanism more.
Okay.
Go ahead. So the nice part about putting the clip back on is you can put it back on, just clip it back onto the handle like that, and then when it slides onto the handle, it clips in and you're good to go. So this is the finished product. We got the black handle on, and boom. It can be done.